Hello guys, how are you? As you can see, this is kilowatt hour meter, and the speed of the rotating plate is quite slow because it is only loaded with a tube light of 18 watt. Now I'm gonna switch on the window AC in my room and let's see if there is any difference in the speed of this plate. Okay. Now 3, 2, 1. Just focus, concentrate. As you can see, there is an acceleration, and the speed of the plate is quite more than before, right? So now you can see. Again, I'm gonna switch it off so that you can see how it literally is going to kind of stop. Okay. Just focus, focus, focus. 3, 2, 1. See. It appears as if it has got a huge momentum, and it's almost getting slower and slow. So as you can see how much this air condition affects your monthly bill. Okay guys, see you in my next video.